I'm Wolver, and I'm about to show you how to launch a token that does 10,000 a day from your couch with zero code. No theories, no courses, just execution. You know the loop. Wake up, check charts, watch red, chase random projects, get dumped, repeat. That cycle ends now. I'm not teaching you to find pumps. I'm teaching you to be the pump. I sell this thing. If you want it, my Telegram is below. Telegram link in description. One message. I hand you the contract that prints 10,000 days. You keep every dollar. Or stick with me, 6 minutes. I show you exactly how to build it yourself. Step 1. Enter the war room. Open browser. Type remix.ethereum.org. Same environment Uniswap was built on. Looks intimidating. Good. Means it's powerful. Most people see this and quit. That's why my Telegram exists. I do this for a living. Left side. File Explorer. Create new file. I sell this thing if you want it. My Telegram is below. Blank page. This is where financial instruments are born. Type vanguard.sol. Hit enter. Sol means solidity. You just stopped being a tourist. You're a builder. Telegram link in description. Need the contract pre-built? Hit me there. Step 2. The alchemy. Find the S icon. Solidity compiler. Top drop-down compiler version. One mismatch, failed transaction, burned gas, wasted money. This mistake alone costs beginners thousands. Set it to 0.8.20. Click compile vanguard.sol. I sell this thing if you want it. My Telegram is below. Green checkmark. Your idea just became bytecode. Network sees you. Telegram link in description. Want me to handle the compile? Hit me there. Step 3. Point of no return. Click. Deploy run transactions. Environment injected provider. MetaMask pops up. Connect your wallet. You're 5 steps in. Wallet linked. You're armed. 4 inputs. Token DNA. Name your empire's title. Make it land. Symbol VNG APX. 3 letters. Aggressive. Sticky. I sell this thing if you want it. My Telegram is below. Supply your central bank. 1 million. 1 billion. You control scarcity. Decimals 18. Always 18. Non-negotiable. One wrong number and your token launches crippled. Telegram link in description. Want me to set the parameters? Hit me there. Critical warning. Blockchain is a glass box with no delete key. One exploit, one forgotten lock, your liquidity walks. This is why I exist. I sell bulletproof contracts. Pre-audited, live tested. Solo builders die here. Every time. I sell this thing. If you want it, my Telegram is below. You're not auditing your own code. You're gambling. Telegram link in description. Don't gamble. Hit me there. Step 4. Launch wallet funded. Compiler locked. Contract selected. Gas fee ready. You need fuel. All green deploy. MetaMask pop. Gas estimate. Confirm. This is the filter. Consumers hesitate. Owners execute. Click. Hash appears. 20 seconds. I sell this thing if you want it. My Telegram is below. Your token is live. Permanent. Public. Unruggable. You're no longer chasing alpha. You are alpha. Telegram link in description. Want me to deploy for you? Hit me there. Step 5. Claim deployed contracts. Copy that 0x string. MetaMask. Import tokens. Paste. Add. Confirm. Look at your wallet, your ticker, your supply, your name. You built wealth from zero code. I sell this thing. If you want it, my Telegram is below. Telegram link in description. Contract live but need help. Hit me there. What comes next? Deployment done. Token leave? Now what? Most people stop here. They think the job is finished. Wrong. A live contract with no liquidity is just a screenshot. A token with no community is a flex with no follow-through. A project with no strategy is a parked car going nowhere. Deployment is just the warm-up. I sell this thing. If you want it, my Telegram is below. People doing 5,000 days. People doing 10,000 days. Not promises, not projections, real numbers. They started exactly where you are. Zero code, zero experience, zero connections. Now they hold contracts. Now they control supply. Now they call shots. You're still reading. 6 minutes ago, you didn't know how to deploy. Now you know the full stack. I sell this thing if you want it. My Telegram is below. Contract, liquidity, protection, narrative, holders, marketing. This is the complete system. Telegram link in description. One word: deploy. I build. You bank. Closing. 6 minutes ago, you were refreshing Twitter, waiting on random devs to drop, hoping for a quick flip. Now you own the contract address. Now you are the dev. Now you control the narrative. The tools are free. The knowledge is yours. I sell this thing. If you want it, my Telegram is below. Execution is optional. Copy what I showed you. Build it yourself. Or let me run it for you. Telegram is open. One message. Full system. Your name on the contract. Gates open. Engines hot. Build. Or watch me build for you. Link below. Go.